Customer data management is the data layer that powers Acoustic Connect, enabling you to gain a 360-degree view of each customer. Beyond insights into each step of the conversion funnel, customer data management allows you to understand customer behavior even before their first click. Customer data management stands out by natively incorporating behavioral data and intent analysis in real time, meaning you're able to improve your targeting efforts and roll out more effective campaigns. You're able to deepen your personalization efforts, see what marketing messages resonate, and know which channels are preferred. You can also see how customers interact with your website or application. Additionally, you can create powerful audience segments to truly target the right customers with the right message at the right time. Audience segments go beyond demographic data as they leverage a deeper understanding of real-time behavior, preferences, and intent. With customer data management, you have the ability to send messages that are highly relevant, building brand loyalty with every single customer.